Hello today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Hand-Me Cleaning Clay Compound. This is a professional homogeneous cleaning clay compound. It's a paint cleaner for removing industrial dust, rust and insect residues. In this case it's a pack of 3. It's also on the market available in 3 times 100 gram, and here comes 3 times 180 gram, and on the market you can buy by Hand-Me an orange version, 3 of them in 100 gram. Oh yeah, we have a great value kit here. 3 times 180 gram bars for cleaning, 1 starter box and 1 cleaning cloth. More efficient, safe and comfortable for cleaning our beloved cars. And precautions. Before we use it, we make sure that the body does not contain any grainy dust to avoid scratching the paint, of course. So clean the lacquer first. And then we can use this intensive cleaning thing here. The cleaning clay can effortlessly handle stubborn dirt such as tree sap, rust, insect residues, paint mess, tar, etc. And we have an excellent material here, highly ductile and flexible. It can be kneaded into different shapes without dropping apart and does not scratch the car paint. And it is reusable. The car clay can be used many times. After use, we store the car clay bar in the included box to prevent it from drying out for a long time. Hand-Me comes here, gives us a professional cleaning clay. This will help us to remove stubborn dirt from our beloved car. No abrasions, friendly and avoid scratches on our car paint. With this car cleaning clay kit here, 3 times 180 gram cleaning clay and 1 cleaning cloth and a storage box, we can clean our car more conveniently. We make our car always look like a new one. With that excellent material, high quality, super fine fiber, large absorb stains, good ductility and flexibility. Adapts to high quality materials. Cleaning clay has a good ductility and flexibility, which can be kneaded into different shapes while not looser or broke it. Tiny pores can effectively absorb the stains with high viscosity, but not sticky to the car. Not hurt the car paintwork, of course. Each car clay bar is packed with a plastic film, easy to remove from the stored box while not sticky, of course. Really important is, we clean the car body to remove that dust and other stains. We dip the clay into the water and knead it several times until it is soft. Then we keep the car wet with the car wash sponge, dipped in diluted car wash liquid and lightly wipe with the car clay to remove the dirt. We fold over and over again so we can work with a clean surface. And step number 4 is easy. We clean the surface with a clean towel. Wax to protect when needed. We can use it. Easy peasy. It helps us with a lot of problems. Against grate, against tar, against oxidust, insect residues, and so on. And it's easy, it's fast, and it's reliable. This is the Hand-Me Cleaning Clay Compound. This is a professional home genius cleaning clay compound set. It's a paint cleaner to remove industrial dust, rust, and insect residues. It's a pack of 3. Clay bar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.